make it up the doggone hill. Good Lord. Third winter storm. And it's coming down so thick. Y'all see that thick snow? Wish y'all could see it. It's so thick and pretty. And we still got this other snow that ain't even melted yet. It's gonna be a flood this year. That Mississippi River gonna flood this year. It's a lot of snow to melt. A lot of snow to melt. Whew. I love it though. Sometimes I hate getting out in it or driving in it, but I love it. The road's not too bad, but they finna be starting to stick now. Plus we got all this rain. It was raining all day. It started raining like 3 o'clock this morning, and now it's snow. So we're gonna be dealing with ice and snow again. But this the perks when you live up north. This is what we prepare for. Definitely got to get me some all winter tires, because let me tell you, Silver Bullet is spinning like no other, but she get me through it. I've been had her 4 years, so she done got me through 4 winters. It's time for some new tires though, because I hadn't had no new tires in 2 years, because paid like $800 for some tires, but they still good. But I'm gonna get me some all weather tires, 4-season tires, because she got to be able to pull on these hills, especially over here in Iowa. Illinois is not so many, but we got some. But we got some steep hills, but Iowa got some hills. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoying the little ride. Amazing Thursday and blessed Thursday. I just want to come on here and show you guys what we dealing with right now. Not gonna hold you long. I'm on my way home. I had to run out to Petco. PetSmart, I mean. They all the same to me. Petco, PetSmart, they all the same. But got me and baby boy out here riding in this snow, so I can get on. I had to go get Mia some stuff, cause Kathy girl ain't running out in that snow and rain. I had to go get her something so she could be comfortable using the bathroom. She already trained a little bit, but I got her some turf so it looked like fake grass, so she could use that when she got to do number 2. Slow down. So these people drive like it ain't snow on the ground. I'm taking my time. I'm not in no hurry. Not at all. I'm not stopping. Sorry. I'm not finna slide. No, ma'am. Stuck out here in this alley, man. Sucks. This is ridiculous. Seriously. This is ridiculous. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You gonna be quiet. Oh, y'all see I gotta ride on top of this ice. This is what I deal with in the alley. Y'all see this mess? The city will not come in and scrape none of this stuff. It's so stupid that they cannot salt our alleys down and come scrub it for us. This ice on top of snow, and we get more snow. Another winter storm, 100% all the way to tomorrow. Y'all see how I gotta ride silver bullet on top of the snow? Cause if you don't, you're gonna get stuck. You really gonna get stuck if you don't. I got to whip on in this darn driveway of mine. Whew, thank you, Lord, for a garage. I ain't got to sit out here and deal with this stuff. Whew. Thank you, Lord. We y'all.